Hello and welcome to Free VBA Tips. Today we are going to show you the latest version of attendance tracker. We have added a feature using which you can also export your data to PDF as well as to Excel. So let me show you how you can get the data. So this is the PDF export and you will get a lot of names over here, and this is a PDF view, and then we have a attendance view in other horizontal, and this is vertical. All right, so for those who is seeing this video for the first time, so let me just quickly take you through the automation. For very first time, I can just click on this refresh button. Okay, so this tool can be used to keep a track of the attendance, and everything gets saved in a database which is over here. So there are very less chances of data getting corrupted, and this is the employee control, and then this is the attendance. So let us see how we are going to add an employee over here. So let me just see the existing employee. So right now I can also choose the filter. So here it is written as student ID. We can also have employee. So let me just see what is in the database. You see these two names are very similar, so let me just give them a different ID. 123, and this is 585. Then we can just change to Atul Rana. Right now I am showing you how we can amend the data. So these are students and I have made some mistakes. Entering student address is ABC India, and then we can enter PS. You can also have a short in a small letter, and this is the number 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, or you can have other format as well. So something like this as well you can have over here. Alright, so if I click on update, this will get updated in our database. Let me just pull this data, and then you see these two has been updated now. Great. So now let me add some new students over here. So I can just look at the existing data and make changes. So let me just add a new student ID, which is 789. So this is just a view only. Right now I am not going to update this in database. So if I'm amending this Atul Rana and other names, we are not actually making a change unless we click on update or add button. So right now we are going to add something. So let me just add as Rahul Singh. Date of birth is 1988, and then is India, Mizoram, Mizo, and then we can have email as well, rahul@gmail.com, and then we can. So now to add this to the database, I would need to click on add. This will give a prompt. Are you sure you are about to add following records as new? Existing records remain unchanged. Great. I click on OK. One record has been added, and if I go to view and see all the data over here, I'll get to see this data, the one we just added right now, Rahul Singh. Okay, so in case I want to sort them by name, I can go to view and then choose a name and then click this one. So right now it is sorted by name. Similarly, we have other options as well, like date of birth or parent address or email, whatever you want to do it. So this is how we add and update it. I've shown you. Now if I want to delete something, for example, if I want to delete Deepak, so I would need to just remove these two and leave Deepak Lohia over here, because this is the record which needs to be deleted. So whatever changes we are going to do, that record should show over here. So I click on delete, and it is going to prompt me that you are about to delete ID 20216. This is the DB ID. That is a unique field. Student ID can be duplicate as well. So one record has been deleted. If I go to view and see the data, then you see only two records. Great. So now I want to see the attendance of these people, these two people. You can have thousands of employees or the students. I go to view and I have to choose the date from which you want to update the address, sorry, the attendance. So I can just choose this one, and if you see over here, this is the actual attendance. If I click on view, you'll see nothing is over here. Perfect. So there could be thousands of employee or the students, and it is very difficult to go and update attendance for each and every one. That's why we have designed planner setup. This will help you to update the attendance automatically. So we will do some settings in the planner setup. Okay, so right now once you open the planner setup, it will show the attendance for the people in this manner from Monday to Sunday. Great. So we can just have a global attendance setup over here. So I can just choose PPP, choose select P over here, then you can choose P, and then from Thursday, Sunday is also a P, and then for Saturday and Sunday we can have holiday or week off. So we'll choose week off and week off. Say for Rahul Singh, he comes on Sunday, but he has week off on Friday and Saturday. So we can choose Friday and Saturday as week off, and then we can choose Sunday as a present day for him. So this is like a global setting I have defined, that these associates or the students are present on every day. But Atul Rana has a week off on Saturday and Sunday, and Rahul Singh has week off on Friday and Saturday, but that person is present on Sunday. That's how the actual attendance is. Right now we can just click on update. Great. So the planner has been updated. Now we have to see the planned attendance. It means that the way we just design it. So let us see the planned attendance. So if I click on this one, then you will get to see for Atul Rana and Rahul Singh. But this is a very small data, so let me just do this till April and click on planned attendance and then see it. Now you will see automatically it has taken the setup we did in the planner setup. So you see that here we have week off for Friday and Saturday, and then we have present on Sunday. Then 15 March is a Sunday. This is what I assume, 15 March. Yes, it's a Sunday. So then this person Rahul Singh is present on this particular date, the day, and similarly we have other fields. So this is just a view only right now, so I have to update these things in the actual attendance. So for that I have to click on update. Great. If I go to view and choose April over here and see the actual attendance, now you will see the updated attendance which we did just updated. So this is the actual attendance which we have updated using the planner. So using this particular planner or this particular option, we can update the attendance in bulk. Now let us pull the data and see how the data looks like. So we can choose from March to April and actual attendance you want to see, and then we can choose a PDF format as well. So let me just export this data to Excel, and we get the data like this. Looks beautiful. Great. Wow. And here also we got other view which is for the PDF. In case you also want to have a PDF view, you can just choose and select this option over here. Let me choose till April, and then I can export to Excel. Great. So this is the PDF view, and then this is my Excel view, which you can use for your purpose, or for your business purpose, or for updating or keeping a record of the attendance. So this is a tool which has been updated using the export option as well. So you can download this tool from the description, and for any kind of questions you can ask me in comments. Thank you for watching, and for similar kind of videos you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.